Yes, 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 yes. It is harvest time. Check out this pepper tree. This pepper tree went through so much stuff, from chemically burnt to dry weather, drought, and look what we have here. It is resilient. Look what you have here. You have peppers. Peppers, peppers, peppers. Yep, it's harvest time. There's a Scotch Bonnet pepper. Scotch Bonnet peppers. Look at that. Oh yes, it is harvest time. Harvest time, guys. So don't let anybody stop you from bearing your fruit. Don't let anybody stop you from bearing your fruit. When it's harvest time, it's harvest time. These, yeah, harvest time. This is 6. There should be 1 more. Well, we'll leave the 1 there. We'll leave it so it can actually start getting color. So it doesn't look like it's gonna get any bigger than that. So yep, harvest time, guys. Harvest time. So this is from today's harvest. Yep, harvest time. Scotch Bonnet peppers for you. Scotch Bonnet peppers right there. And this is from the tire garden. Yep, it has French thyme, and there's some French thyme. There was some aloe vera, but don't know what happened there. Yeah, one of my peppers fell. So yeah, this is from the tire garden. That's a tire garden. You can do it. You can use tires. Alright? Yeah. We'll leave it for it to continue to bear. There's another one there coming up. Alright. French thyme, and we know it's great for oils, right? Yep. Great for teas also. Alright, so that's French thyme. And that is Scotch Bonnet peppers. Keep watching. This is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. This is another of our pepper trees, and this one is a very bigger one than the previous one that you saw. And check this out. Yeah, this is a bigger pepper than the other one. Yeah, look at that. So on this pepper tree, we actually saw a pepper that was like 3/4 eaten. I am not seeing it right now. Partly the rain caused it to, the rain beat it off, but yeah, it's a reaping time, harvest time. Harvest time is here. Praise God. So we have 2 so far. There's another one here, but we will allow it to grow some more, even though it looks like it's about to turn yellow. So yeah, we pick them. So harvest time of Scotch Bonnet peppers. Yep, it's harvest time. What do you have to harvest today? Harvest time. Keep watching. To support our ministry, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.